What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You know what? I am so excited to show you something that I've wanted for so long. It was a little more than I wanted to spend, but I mean, you pay to play, right? So let's show you guys what I got. So this is what I got. The DJI Mavic Mini 249 gram drone. I am so stoked. This thing is under the regulation. It's 249 grams, not 250, so you don't need a license, and you can fly this thing wherever you want to. Well, being smart, don't be a frickin' idiot, because you know what, somebody's gonna be like, there's a drone and it's looking at me. Like, if you're flying a drone to creep on people, you should probably go get trapped in a container and get dropped in the water. So this drone comes with a bunch of accessories. I recommend getting the everyday fly more combo. This one comes with a little battery pack. It comes with 3 batteries, your prop guards, which I will probably never use unless I'm in a tight location like a house or something, but other than that, nah. Just so you guys know, this is not an unboxing for this. There's tons of videos on YouTube. Guys will take it apart, ASMR shit, totally slow, everything like, hey, this is a screwdriver and this is a screw and the screws are for this and this is a propeller, and like, yeah, you want to see that, there's other ones. But this is just gonna show you what I like about it. So I went home, as soon as I got it, charged it up, just so I can do it. So, once you put it all together, you don't have to put anything together. Once you open up the box, charge it all, you get a sweet little case. Look at that thing. So before we get started, I just have to tell you guys, make sure, I mean, it's, some people, I don't know, you know, can't figure out even how to use pencil, but you need a micro SD card before you can fly this drone. So if you're buying it off Amazon, you can buy them off Amazon, it'll be fine, but be careful, there is a lot of them that are junk. I will show you guys what I got. I bought 2 cards. I thought, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy the SanDisk. It was like the Pro, the black one with the stripe. I thought 128 megabytes a second, it's gonna read right, yeah, okay. Turns out, so I did a test on it. It only registered at 79 megabytes a second, which is shit. I recommend this little dude. Let's see. What you get in this little combo, I'm about to show you. You get the drone, you get your controller, and then you get the battery pack. It's sick. Honestly, the battery pack is like one of the most genius things they did. So you get your 3 batteries here. Not only does it tell you the status by pressing the button, like that, but there's USB, so you can charge anything, like your phone, any device you want, as long as you got the USB. Smart guys. So you get your controller, and honestly, everybody has problems with this. You see this little piece right there. People wonder how you charge the controller because it looks like a square slot. But actually it comes with a micro USB, and that micro USB will fit in there. So don't worry, as long as you have it the right way, it will fit. I don't know why they did a square, not a micro USB. I didn't design it, who knows why. You may wonder, okay, can I use it with my phone? What does it support? Well, it supports a USB-C, a micro USB, and a lightning cable for you Apple people. I'm a USB-C person because I have the Google Pixel 4, so that's what I'll be using. To unfold the drone, it's just, you unpack it. The 2 big arms at the back first, pop those open, just like that. And then you get 2 little ones down here that unfold. So one comes this way, the other one comes this way. Before you fly, make sure you take off the gimbal cover. A little tap at the bottom, pull it back, you're good. So now, at the back here, you're gonna take one of your batteries. Make sure it's in the right way. Pop her in. Make sure you got your micro SD card in there. And she's good to fly, just like that. To turn on the drone, it's super easy. Underneath, you're gonna see this little button right here. You click it once, hold it. Same thing for the controller here. The little button on the side, click it once, hold it. Now you let these 2 do their syncing. So as you can see on the map here, there's a ton of areas that are marked off. They'll tell you, you can see they're shaded in red, they're in yellow, they're in blue, a darker orange. Those areas are gonna tell you different things, like you can't even fly to. So stay out of that area. Those will tell you that you can only go up to a certain altitude. It's kind of cool. This drone program is awesome.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please.
This thing does not have sensors around it, but it does underneath. So if you get close to underneath, watch this. There goes my hand. Well, that was fun. Got to see a bear walk across the street while I'm flying the drone, and you know, I don't want to be that guy bothering wildlife with the drone. It's not something that you should be doing. That's why I stayed way ways instead of chasing it down low. I don't like when people use drones for the wrong thing. If any of you guys are wondering how fast this drone goes, it goes up to 45.5 kilometers an hour. I don't know what that is in miles per hour, but that's how fast. And that sound means, hey, your battery's at 20%, you need to get home. It also gives you a graph of how far you can fly on the battery and when you should come back home or when it's going to force return. So what do you guys think of the drone? Do you wish it had better features? Do you like it? Do you want one? Let me know in the comments below. I will try to answer everybody's comment. Hopefully this helped you guys decide if you want to buy the drone or not. I love this drone. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be in all my footage as possible. The only thing I bought it for, to be honest, is fishing. I can put it out a ways, I can go up high, and I can cast around the drone. I love this drone. It's definitely a good investment. You think it'll let me be its friend? You want to be my friend? No, see? Kind of moody sometimes. Like, I just want to be like, hey, here you go. No. Fine. Go away then. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, Joan, let's go home. Shut her down. Be my friend. Come home. Come on. There you go. Good job.